Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Enhance the looks and off-road capabilities of your 4th generation Toyota Tacoma with Rough Country's 3.5-inch lift kit. Not only does this kit lift your truck, increasing your ground clearance, it's also going to level your truck front to rear and allow you to run a larger tire. Let's go over what's included in the kit. First off, we've got our upper control arms. These are designed with a corrected ball joint angle to make sure we keep that factory geometry. They also include heavy-duty rubber bushings for increased durability. Here we have our front preload spacers as well as our upper strut spacers, which is what we get all of our lift in the front. Rear bump stop brackets as well as our rear bump stops. Our rear coil spring spacers, rear sway bar link extensions, rear brake line relocation brackets, rear track bar relocation bracket, and of course, our rear N3 shocks. And like all of our kits, it's going to come with all of the necessary installation hardware. Like I said, this kit is going to lift your truck 3.5 inches and level it off, allowing you to run a larger tire. What size tire? Well, you can run a 33-1250 with a 0mm offset wheel, or if you want to step it up, you can run a 35-1250 with a plus 25mm offset wheel, and with that combination, you won't have any rubbing on the street. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I think a 35 fits really nicely with this kit. All right, we are pulled up on the ramp. The rear is fully stuffed, and as you can see up front, we have no contact whatsoever. Now, depending on how aggressive you're wheeling, bouncing around and turning, you may make slight contact. And again, it depends on the manufacturer of the tire. We're running a 35 without removing any crash bars or doing any cutting to any safety features whatsoever. So whether you choose a 33 or a 35, or any size in between, the 3.5-inch kit is really going to set your 4th generation Tacoma off. So when you're ready to lift and level your Toyota Tacoma, check out our 3.5-inch kit, available today at roughcountry.com.